Remember when I made those half potatoes with the cheese face down? Well, I decided to cut them up today and make a scramble. Who doesn't like a scramble? Little piece of onion, little bit of pepper, little bit of butter, a couple eggs and a dash of milk. And the rye toast is being made now. And I have some little chunks of cheese to go in too. I'm just gonna do this. This is an easy one that you can teach your kids to make, just scrambled eggs, I mean. And then they can put in what they want. And then I maintain kids are more apt to eat what they help make. So since my refrigerator is beeping at me because I forgot to close the door, I'll close this for our fast little scramble. I used to cook eggs on really high heat, but I guess I've learned, but not today because the heat's too high. I gotta turn that down too. Gotta go.